Hey, what's going on, dudes and dudettes? It's Pip Surfer with another daily update for the Cowabunga system. Wow. It's been a while since I have posted, and I gotta tell you, I've been doing a lot of traveling this summer, and I apologize for not keeping up with the blog. Again, it's just been really tough, moving around, being on semi-vacation, I guess, and trying to just enjoy things and keep up with the blogs. But I apologize for kind of leaving you guys in the dark, but I am still here, and I do have time now, barring the next 2 weeks when I go out of town again. But at least for a while, I do have some time to post updates for the blog. And again, I'm hoping these videos will help you. And in the meantime, if you don't see any of my posts, go back in old posts and check out old videos that I've made, because those will also help you kind of get you in the right frame of mind, get you trading the system the right way, because it's all about repetition. So the more videos you watch, the more it will help you, and it could address your questions and that sort of thing. But again, I apologize, but I am back, and I hope you all are doing great. And I'm just going to jump right into today's update. Remember, if you have any questions about anything, you can always ask in this blog. So let's jump right into it. I have open my 4-hour chart right now. I want to take a look at my trend for the day. And you could see our most recent trend change candle was way back on July 22nd. That was actually my birthday. But as you can see, this it's just been a nice uptrend, and for today there were no new trend change candles. Trend stayed up the entire time, therefore we were only looking for long trades the entire day. So here I am on my 15-minute chart, and I'm going to move it back to before midnight so we can see what it looks like before we start the day. And before I do anything, I do want to take a look at my news events. So you can check out babypips.com, click on the tools tab. And by the way, our calendar is pretty awesome right now. I just have to give a quick kudos to our team here at Baby Pips for really just making an extra effort to make the calendar a much more intuitive, much more helpful tool for you guys. Trading the Forex, we all know calendar is very essential, and I just think they've done a really great job. So I'd love to hear your feedback on that as well, and what you guys think. And if you so feel inclined, leave your comments and compliments and thanks or whatever to our development team on this blog. Again, if you feel inclined. Anyways, here is the news events for the day. Automatically pulls it up. And I'm looking for news that affects the cable or the dollar. Excuse me, I said cable and the dollar. I mean the pound and the dollar. And if we go down, we'll look at 4:30. We do have manufacturing PMI. It's not the most important event, but it is something taking note of. And if we go down to 10 a.m., we do have construction spending and ISM manufacturing. Again, not super important, but it is important enough for us to warrant our attention. So I'm going to write these news events down on a notepad. You can do the same thing or set an alert, just to let you know when those news events are coming out. And you're going to have to excuse me for 1 second. I know you can hear my lovely dog in the background, and she likes to bark at anything that moves. So I'm sure she found something to get her attention. But anyways, so now that we have our news events handy, I can go back to my 15-minute chart. And I'm going to move my chart forward one candle at a time, give you my thought process along the way. Remember, the goal of this blog is to kind of get you to think the way that I think when it comes to trading the system. And hopefully after enough repetition, you'll get the hang of it. Okay, so here we go. I'm moving my chart forward. Again, I'm looking only for long trades. And so the first thing that's going to catch my eye is a crossover to the upside. And here we get one at 115. RSI above 50, stochastics trending up. MACD was negative from the previous candle and is gaining value. So this is a valid entry. Now this candle closes at 1:30. We don't have news until 4:30, so this is okay to enter. So I want to enter at the close of the candle, as close to it as possible. In this case, it's 57.24. My stop will be in the most recent swing low at 57.07. And my target will be at the nearest 0.50 level, which is at 57.50. Now this gives us about 26 pips of potential profit, which is pretty good. And so now I'll just let my trade ride and just continue to monitor it. And again, if I'm not out of the trade before the 4:30 news event, I will exit manually, regardless of where I'm at. Okay? So it's 2:45, 3, and at 3 o'clock you can see our target was hit. Now price does make a clean break. So at this point, I'm just going to move my stop to 57.50 and set my next target for 5,800. All right? And so now I'm just going to pretty much continue to watch it. Again, I will still exit though if I'm not out of my trade by 4:30 news. All right, so there's 3:30, 3:45, 4, and 4:15. My target is hit. Now, obviously, news is coming out, so I'm not going to go for any more pips. It doesn't make a clean break anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and exit here. And I exit right at 5,800 because obviously by this point I'm not going to be in the trade anymore. So I take it out right at my second target at 5,800. Now there's the 4:30 news candle, and we just continue to watch the market for more long trades. And at this point, you can see, let me move back. This point right here, this is a sign that we're going to see some more bullish movement because the price has obviously bounced off this this moving average right here, and has acted like a mini support level. And so we'll see throughout the rest of the day that the price does continue to move up. So no more crossovers, no more entries for us. We just had that one, and again, it was just a big move for the cable today. And we did happen to capture some of those pips. So all in all, it was a pretty good day. Good day to start off posting again. So again, if you have any questions about anything, feel free to post them. I'll try my best to answer them. But that's pretty much it. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you all in the next update. Cowabunga, dudes.